Let's kick things off with this one. Which planet is famous for its rings? Is it A, Saturn, B, Mars, C, Venus, or D, Mercury? Saturn's rings are the most recognized in the solar system. Here comes your next challenge. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Is your pick A, Neil Armstrong, B, Yuri Gagarin, C, Buzz Aldrin, or D, Sally Ride? Neil Armstrong was the very first moonwalker in 1969. Get ready. What is the closest planet to the Sun? So, what do you think? A, Venus, B, Mars, C, Mercury, or D, Jupiter? Mercury is the smallest and snuggest next to the Sun. Try this one. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Pick now. A, Jupiter, B, Mars, C, Earth, or D, Neptune? Mars appears red, thanks to iron oxide dust. Easy one. Which star is at the center of our solar system? Is it A, Alpha Centauri, B, Sirius, C, the Sun, or D, Betelgeuse? The Sun is our central star, holding it all together. Who was the first woman in space? Take your best guess. Will it be A, Valentina Tereshkova, B, Peggy Whitson, C, Sally Ride, or D, Mae Jemison? Valentina Tereshkova blasted off in 1963. Which planet is the largest in the solar system? Your big chance. Is it A, Venus, B, Earth, C, Jupiter, or D, Mars? Jupiter is the true giant among planets. Name the first artificial satellite launched into space. Will you choose A, Voyager, B, Sputnik 1, C, Hubble, or D, Mir? Sputnik 1 started the space age in 1957. Which planet is nicknamed the morning star and evening star? Pick A, Saturn, B, Mars, C, Venus, or D, Pluto? Venus shines brightly at dawn and dusk. Last easy one. What galaxy do we live in? Where are we? A, Milky Way, B, Andromeda, C, Whirlpool, or D, Sombrero? We spin through the Milky Way galaxy. Now things get trickier. Here comes the first medium question. Which astronaut spent the longest continuous time in space on a single mission? Is it A, Scott Kelly, B, Gennady Padalka, C, Valery Polyakov, or D, Peggy Whitson? Valery Polyakov spent 437 days on Mir. Which planet has the most moons? Space trivia incoming. Is the answer A, Saturn, B, Uranus, C, Jupiter, or D, Neptune? Saturn currently leads with more than 80 moons. Here comes your next challenge. What does NASA stand for? NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Can you crack this one? Which planet has a great red spot? Will it be A, Jupiter, B, Mars, C, Saturn, or D, Uranus? Jupiter's stormy great red spot is massive. What was the name of the space shuttle that carried the Hubble telescope? A, Discovery, B, Challenger, C, Atlantis, or D, Endeavour? Discovery launched with the mighty Hubble in 1990. Which planet is tipped on its side, rolling as it orbits? Let's see. A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Venus, or D. Mars? Uranus spins nearly sideways in the solar system. Which country launched the first human into space? A. USA, B. France, C. Russia, or D. China? Russia made history with Yuri Gagarin in 1961. Planets can be icy. Which one is mostly made of ice and rock? Choose wisely. Is it A. Mars, B. Neptune, C. Pluto, or D. Io? Pluto is a frigid world of ice and rock. Which mission was the first to land a rover on Mars? Will you pick A. Opportunity, B. Curiosity, C. Viking 1, or D. Spirit? Viking 1 made a soft Mars landing in 1976. Final medium challenge. What's the main purpose of the International Space Station? Will it be A. Tourism, B. Research, C. Mining, or D. Communications? The ISS is a space laboratory for research and science. Stepping it up, try this hard one. Which mission was the first to bring samples from an asteroid back to Earth? Make your choice. A. Osiris, Rex, B. Hayabusa, C. Near Shoemaker, or D. Deep Impact? Hayabusa's samples landed in 2010. Which astronaut set the record for most spacewalk? Pick A. Chris Hadfield, B. Anatoly Soloviev, C. Michael Lopez, Alegria, or D. Peggy Whitson? Anatoly Soloviev has the most spacewalks on record. Can you outsmart this? Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Jupiter, or D. Mars? Venus's thick atmosphere makes it the hottest. Let's dive deeper. The Voyager 1 spacecraft is heading toward which constellation? Will it be A. Ophiuchus, B. Andromeda, C. Taurus, or D. Lyra? Voyager 1 is booked for Lyra in about 40 years. Which element makes up most of the sun's mass? A. Oxygen, B. Helium, C. Hydrogen, or D. Carbon? Hydrogen is the sun's main ingredient. Name the first probe to successfully land on Venus. Ready to choose? A. Venera 7, B. Mariner 2, C. Magellan, or D. Pioneer Venus? Venera 7 survived Venus's crushing heat in 1970. On which spaceship did John Glenn orbit Earth in 1962? Is it A. Apollo 11, B. Mercury, Atlas 6, C. Gemini 4, or D. Soyuz 1? John Glenn used Mercury Atlas 6, named Friendship 7. Think you know stars? What type of star is Betelgeuse? A. Red giant, B. Blue dwarf, C. Neutron star, or D. White dwarf? Betelgeuse is a massive red giant in Orion. Which probe was the first to fly by Pluto? Is it A. New Horizons, B. Voyager 2, C. Pioneer 10, or D. Cassini? New Horizons gave us our first close-up view in 2015. Last hard one. Which planet is known for stormy supersonic winds and a blue hue? Choose A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Venus, or D. Jupiter? Neptune is wild, windy, and deep blue. Brace yourself. first impossible challenge is here. In what year did the Soviet Luna 3 spacecraft first photograph the moon's far side? Can you guess? A. 1959, B. 1965, C. 1972, or D. 1000? Luna 3 captured the mysterious far side in 1959. Out of this world! What is the formal IAU name for the largest volcano on Mars? Take your pick. A. Olympus Mons, B. Ascraeus Mons, C. Pavonis Mons, or D. Elysium Mons. Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano and mountain in the solar system. Dare you answer? Which 1994 comet spectacularly collided with Jupiter? Was it A. Halley, B. Shoemaker, Levy 9, C. Hale, Bop, or D. Temple 1? Shoemaker-Levy 9's crash was cosmic history. No easy feat. Which probe detected geysers erupting from Europa's surface? Will it be A. Voyager 1, B. Galileo, C. Cassini, or D. Juno? Galileo revealed explosive water geysers on Europa. Event horizon time. Who first proposed the concept of black holes? Will you choose A. Isaac Newton, B. Albert Einstein, C. John Mickle, or D. Stephen Hawking? John Mitchell described dark stars centuries ago. Galactic test. Which planet's day is longer than its year? Is it A. Earth, B. Mercury, C. Venus, or D. Mars? A day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Ultra tough. What is the name of the dark, flat lunar plains formed by volcanic eruptions? Can you name them? A. Maria, B. Highlands, C. Rillis, or D. Regolith? Lunar Maria look like great cosmic seas. Challenging the cosmos. How long does it take sunlight to reach Earth? Will you choose A. 8 minutes, B. 1 hour, C. 5 seconds, or D. 30 minutes? Sunlight races to us in about 8 minutes. Astrophysics master, what type of galaxy is the Milky Way classified as? Is your answer A. Elliptical, B. Irregular, C. Spiral, or D. Ring? The Milky Way is a glorious spiral galaxy. Last one. Which space mission discovered the famous pale blue dot image? Make your final pick. A. Apollo 17, B. Voyager 1, C. Cassini, or D. Galileo? Voyager 1 snapped the dreamy pale blue dot in 1990.